Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our first module, problem number 1, relativity and cosmology. First we come towards this statement. A car of mass 2000 kilogram moving with a speed of 20.0 meter per second collides and locks together with a 1500 kilogram car at rest at a stop sign. Okay, that is traffic signal. Show that momentum is conserved in a reference frame moving at 10.0 meter per second in the direction of the moving car. Okay, two masses are given. One is 2000 kilogram and the other is 1500 kilogram. Two speeds are given. First is 20 meter per second and the second is 0 because second car is initially at rest. Okay, next speed is that of frame of reference, moving frame. Okay, according to the principle of conservation of momentum we will solve this problem. Okay, now we move towards the solution. Dear students, first we designate all the given and required quantities, okay, which will enable us to reach our solution of the problem easily. Okay, let m1 equal to 2000 kilogram is equal to mass of first car in motion. Okay, m2 equal to 1500 kilogram equal to mass of second car at rest. Okay, because first car is moving while second car is at rest. Now v1i, that is initial velocity, then v2i, that is initial velocity of second car. v1i equal to 20 meter per second equal to initial velocity of first car in rest frame. v2i equal to 0 meter per second equal to initial velocity of second car in rest frame. Okay, dear students, all these four quantities lie within the first frame, that is rest frame. Okay, now we move towards quantities involved in second frame of reference, that is moving frame. Okay, v3i, that is initial velocity of first car in moving frame. v4i equal to initial velocity of second car in moving frame. Okay, dear students, v1i and v2i are given in the statement, while we have to determine the values of v3i and v4i. And next quantities to be denoted are v1f, v2f, p1i, p1f, p2i, p2f. Okay, v1f equal to final velocity of the system in rest frame. v2f equal to final velocity of the system in the moving frame. Okay, dear students, we have used the word system. System includes both cars. Okay, first car of mass 2000 kilogram and second car of mass 1500 kilogram. After collision, velocities of both these cars, out of which one was moving and one was at rest, velocities of both these cars change. Okay, according to the moving frame of second frame of reference. Okay, similarly p1i equal to initial momentum in the first frame, p1f equal to final momentum in the first frame. Similarly p2i equal to initial momentum in the moving frame, p2f equal to final momentum in the moving frame. Yes, okay. Now we know that according to the law of conservation of momentum, p1i is equal to m1 v1 I plus m2 v2 I equal to 2000 kilogram into 20.0 meter per second plus 1500 kilogram into 0 meter per second, and here hence P1 I becomes equal to 40,000 kilogram meter per second, because momentum is the product of mass and velocity, so its units are also kilogram meter per second. That is, kilogram is the unit of mass and meter per second is the unit of velocity. Okay. Now P1F is equal to m1 plus m2 into v1F. This implies that 40,000 kilogram meter per second is equal to 3,500 kilogram into v1F, because 2000 kg plus 1500 kg will become equal to 3,500 kilogram. Okay. On the other hand, dear students, in place of P1F, we have used the value of P1I, which we have calculated above, which is 40,000 kilogram meter per second. In the lower line, we have described this fact within the bracket, that using the principle that P1I is equal to P1F, that is, initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Okay, initial momentum in the rest frame or first frame is equal to final momentum in the rest frame or first frame. Okay, from here we keep v1f on one side and other quantities will be shifted on other side, which will result v1f equal to 11.43 meter per second. Okay, dear students, here we can take more places after decimal, which will lead to more accurate result, but for the time being we have taken only 2 decimal places. Okay, 11.43 meter per second. Now the velocity is v1i, v2i and v1f in the rest frame will be converted into v3i, v4i and v2f in the moving frame by being reduced by 10.0 meter per second. Okay, because 10.0 meter per second is the velocity of a moving frame. Okay, so these 3 velocities which have been given in the first frame will change their values in the second frame, that is moving frame, by a fixed velocity, that is 10 meter per second. Okay, that is v3i will become equal to 20 meter per second minus 10 meter per second equal to 10 meter per second. v4i is equal to 0 meter per second minus 10 meter per second equal to minus 10 meter per second, and v2f will become 11.43 meter per second minus 10 meter per second, which is equal to 1.43 meter per second. Okay, so dear students, v1i, v2i and v1f are given in the statement. v1i and v2i are given in the statement, and we have calculated v1f in the previous part. Okay, which all these 3 values are only to the extent of first frame, while these 3 velocities have been converted into v3i, v4i and v2f in the second frame of reference, which is moving with velocity 10 meter per second, due to which these 3 velocities have been reduced by 10 meter per second, and so these 3 velocities have become as shown. Okay, now let us calculate P2i and P2f as under. Okay, P2i, that is initial momentum in the second frame, and P2f final momentum in the second frame. Okay, Using the formula P2i equal to M1V3i plus M2V4i. Okay. Putting these values, we get the value of P2i equal to 500 kg meter per second. Okay. And P2f, that is final momentum in the second frame, that is moving frame, will be equal to, as per formula, m1 plus m2 into v2f. Putting the values, we get the value of p2f equal to 5005 kg meter per second. Okay. Here, dear students, there is a minor difference between p2i and p2f. P2i is 5000 kilogram meter per second, while P2f is equal to 5005 kilogram meter per second. Actually, these are exactly equal. The main reason behind this is that I had described this fact that V1f is equal to 11.43 meter per second. Okay, we have taken value of V1f only up to 2 decimal places. If we keep this value in more decimal places, then our answer will become more accurate and this difference will vanish. That is, P2i and P2f both will become equal to 5000 kilogram meter per second. Okay, as 5005 is approximately equal to 5000, this implies that P2i is equal to P2f. Okay, that is, initial momentum in the second frame, that is moving frame, is equal to final momentum in the second frame. Next reference of this problem has been selected from the book Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics by Raymond Survey and John Ute. Its publisher is Cengage and its 9th edition 2014 has been adopted. Its chapter number 39, Relativity, is the concerned chapter, and this problem is enumerated as exercise number 39.4 of this book, and this is the end of our module. Okay.